It has been a very warm Friday afternoon and lots of sunshine. Despite areas throughout the Upper Peninsula and right near the tip of the Mid, we've had a few passing showers and even a few thunderstorms out there. But as we're going into the weekend, temperatures are going to be the big story. So here's a look at those temperatures as we're going throughout the next few days. Numbers easily throughout the 70s, even talking still about our fair share of some 80s as we're going throughout Saturday and into the day on Sunday. Next system will move in by early next week, Monday, and then you see the decline in the numbers going into next week. Closer to average by the time we're reaching Tuesday into next Wednesday. Some highs by late next week. We'll be struggling to hit 60. Winds as we go throughout the weekend. There's a look at it getting into the day tomorrow. It's going to be that southwest direction. Some gusts could easily get back near 20 miles per hour, and even getting into the day on Sunday, more gusts could even be reaching back near 25. So even though we're getting into the first weekend of October, we still do have to mention the fire danger risk as we're going throughout the next few days. And those are your main reasons why. We have had minimal rain this week. Low humidity values are expected over the next few days, as well as your fair share of some sunshine. And you couple that with just very dry conditions. So that's what we'll have out there for you. That's what we're tracking into the next few days. Let's run you through some of the newest data. There it is. Future view getting towards your Friday evening. If you're south of the bridge, I think we're going to have more dry time. If your travels do take you a little bit farther north, there still could be a few more passing showers and even still a rumble of thunder not completely out of the question. Once we get past that weak disturbance, I think we're going to be looking mostly dry. There it is out the door early on Saturday morning. Maybe heading out to the woods to do some bow hunting or just getting a jump start on your weekend plans. Looking mostly dry there. Notice a little red arrow still coming in from the south. That's going to help to build in the heat as we are going throughout the day tomorrow. Still notice our fair share of some sunshine. We'll call it partly to at times even mostly sunny. Getting right there into your Saturday afternoon by the evening hours. Even taking you past midnight into the second half of the weekend, things are still going to be looking mostly dry. Now, you do see a little bit of rain well off to the northwest there by Sunday morning. That will be the system eventually moving in late Sunday night, getting into the day on Monday, giving us our next best chance for some rain. Until then, it's going to be warm to even hot, depending on your preference. There's a look at your weekend in a nutshell. Upper 70s, if not even our fair share of some mid to upper 80s. And I would not be shocked if we do get a few spots into some of our southern zones tomorrow afternoon, getting closer to 90 degrees. So there's a look at that rain chance by the time we reach your Monday morning. Until then, things are going to be staying generally quiet and generally dry. Let's get your live weather stations out there right now. It is a warm Friday evening. Mount Pleasant holding on to some low 80s. Current temperature right now sits at 83 degrees. Also checking in with McMain at this hour, just slightly warmer in the mid-80s with your current number sitting right there at 84. Here's where we go past midnight tonight. It's still going to be on the mild side. No frost concerns tonight. Well too warm for that. 50s, if not even some low 60s getting you past the midnight hour. And if we do have any lingering showers, it's going to be found right here, eastern upper tip of the Mitt. And if you did see a little bit of rain in these areas from earlier today, can't rule out a little bit of patchy fog as well. Otherwise, we're smooth sailing into your Saturday. 70s, if not some 80s. There's a look at it south of the bridge into western lower. Still some sunshine looking good. The breeze is going to be from the southwest, and away from the lake shore, it's going to be low to mid 80s as we get right there into the afternoon tomorrow. Very similar conditions on the sunrise side. Low to mid 80s, that southwest breeze, and your fair share of some sunshine looking good as we take you throughout a Saturday. Even check out the numbers as we take you a little bit farther south into some of our southern communities. So it is going to be a warm to even hot start to your weekend. Find ways to stay cool and hydrated out there as we're going throughout the first weekend of October. If you can believe we're already there into the next 7 days. Rain chances looking better as we're going throughout Monday into the day on Tuesday. And then those cooler temperatures, Adam, settling by mid next week.